boyfriend. He just doesn't know it yet. I don't know any of these people here, and there's a lot less people than there normally is, so that's why I'm like,
It don't sound like it though. Heading out to bike night.
okay, oh no, I don't remember the other one. 700.
What is that?
It's a 300.
300?
It's a baby. It's a baby bike.
Somebody wants them to like get like at least 600 or above because I like speed. So they said like if you got like a 400, you're gonna be over it. Eventually, I'm gonna upgrade to the Beamer S1000.
On there. It's dope. Finally met the one and only Michelle. There's the popo. I'm gonna go find her. I'm eating a clipboard because I haven't ate shit today basically. No! My twin! Oh, I gotta get the fender eliminator though. My twin bike!
That's it, bike?
Yeah, mine's over there.
Nice, there you go. Wonder Woman bike.
It's so rare to see them at 310.
She just got that like a couple weeks ago.
It's a good bike. It's a good starter bike. I like mine a lot. Yeah. Yeah, it's dope. I like their route.
Just like a little
Hieroglyphic on the Ducati. That's dope. It's dope. coming out here? And he's like, I'm not going tonight. I'm like,
We told him yesterday when he come through, he's going home with my dad.
I told him he painted his own bike pink. I was like, I want him to paint my pink.
You can get it wrapped. If you don't want to paint it, just wrap it. Yeah, the wrap is normally easier. So that way you can keep your paint.
But is it cheaper?
Yeah, it is cheaper.
To wrap it?
The wrap is.
Oh.
And then if you don't like it, you see another color you like, rewrap it. Or just swap your fairings out. If you look at my CBR, I just put new fairings on there.
Yeah.
It used to be black and white over here. It used to be black and red. He had the Repsol black and red ones on there. Then I switched it to the black.
Well, tell Nico for the video he needs to come out more often.
Bring your ass back out here, Nico. Nico, we told your ass you should be out here at bike night. No excuses. None whatsoever.
I'm gonna tag him. Alright, you heard that, Nico? You were told, literally told to come out here. Yourself, you're watching this. Why did you leave so early? It's good, it's good. There's a lot of people that are leaving early. I think I'm gonna head out. On a fun little quick bike night. I like the wrap on his car. Just you. Body in your body, in my mind. Gotta taste tongues. Oh, that girl shakes to tell your boyfriend. I'm a vegetarian and I ain't fucking scared of him. I'm sorry. I truly had issues. He's FaceTiming. He's FaceTiming. Let's see if he can see me through it. Hi! See me through the face like, hi! You drive safe. That was a good ride. I got to meet Michelle. I was actually really stoked about that. So, Michelle, if you're watching this, I was stoked to meet you. I did this at bike night. And the guy next to me was like, alright. I was like, yep, that's right. Simplest probably things to do. Always take your keys. Don't be like me. Always forget them. That's weird. Who would get me that? Alright, let's help him get this bike out. If I drop it, it's my fault. He drops it, it's still my fault. So I'm scared. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do.
Just put your hands up and grab this.
Do you want me on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Be down there.
Oh yeah, I was just making sure.
Yeah. You're gonna have to go by or wait. Is it going straight back or no?
Yeah. Just lean it more towards the left.
It's gotta go straight on. Let me know.
Yeah, you're straight.
You're positive.
You're straight. Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta put this kickstand up.
Okay.
Coming straight down?
Yeah.
How we looking?
Straight. Still straight.
Nice. Thanks, sir.
You got it?
Yep.
You want me to let go?
Yep.
Okay. I forgot how to undo these.
2 hours later.
Am I dumb? Oh. Stupid ass. Sometimes.
Thank you.
You have to put it sideways. My neck. My back. Closing out this vlog. Bye.